Oh boy, what did I get myself into? This is a 16 Transit 350. They put an engine in this. I'm just kind of looking at all the stuff here. Doors aren't open, but missing wiring harnesses and all kinds of stuff. And they want me to get this thing running. This one's gonna be fun. The harness is missing from the alternator to the starter and the grounds. So the engine. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Okay. And that's the wires that are cut off. But it has this, which is that for the transmission. So I am going to hook that up. It goes to the O2 sensors as well. So there it is. It's already disconnected. Or no, that's probably the new one. Okay, and the black connector right here is that one. There's no way to know if that harness is exactly the same. I don't know what it came out of. I guess we'll have to cross that bridge when we get to it. Let's see if there's any leak. Looks dry in there. Let me just put this in here now so it doesn't get mixed up. Okay. Okay, so that one's in. That's the one that's already attached to the engine. I got to disconnect, I think. Downstream O2 sensor is hooked into the old one, which this isn't really filming very good. But I need to film this for documentation. Absolutely. And we got a bolt that's loose there. I still got to get that O2 sensor off. You got a bunch of stuff that's not in the places. I got this connector here. No idea where it goes. I don't see anything down here. I don't know if there's any other missing harnesses. That one, I don't know if I filmed it, but I disconnected that one, which is this one. And I did connect the one that's on the back of the engine. I just got to take it off of the O2 sensors and pull this one out. Like I was saying when I wasn't recording, I don't care if check engine light comes on. I don't care if the emission system works. I don't care if the transmission shifts. I don't care if the brakes work. I don't care about any of that. I don't care if it overheats. I don't care about none of that. The only thing I'm trying to do is get this thing started. That's all I'm contracted to do. All right, so I'm going to save on battery power, and it's very hot today. We're starting a heat wave, so I want to shut this off, and I'm just going to try to film stuff that's necessary because my phone always overheats. So that's where I'm at right now. I got the wiring harness in. I'm going to check it, but the harness that's missing also goes to the AC compressor. And they have this hooked up here. I'm not exactly sure if this is the right stuff. I'm gonna have to look at the wiring colors, but just judging by the thickness of these wires, they look kind of thin. See how thick they are on that side. Yeah, I'm not sure. All right, check those wiring colors real quick. You got a starter bolt loose back here.
Yeah.
This bolt, bell housing bolt, is for the starter.
Yeah.
That's loose. Okay. I'm assuming these go to the fan or something. Okay. This goes. Female. These are all female. This is crazy. This is crazy. I should say no. I think this goes here. That's what I'm assuming. I don't have any nuts or bolts or anything. I don't know what this bracket's for. It's for, I mean, it's obviously for a connector, but what is this? Alright, well, let me look up this wiring harness. Alright. Okay, as suspected, those wiring colors don't match up. So we got here, okay, we got orange, black, gray, and violet, right? Come over here, that's ground G112, which is on that wiring harness that's missing. G112 is the one ground. And if we follow this to the next, where is it? The next diagram. One, it continues with violet and white, and so yeah. So this, which was hooked into it, is not correct. That's not the right one. So I have no idea where this goes. Judging by some of this stuff, I'm thinking it goes across the radiator support or something, maybe. This does not go there. So that is needed for the other one as well. So I think as far as the engine, I think all the harnesses, you know, obviously besides the one that's missing, are good. So I have to this to come out of here. I have to I got to find that harness. I don't even know where this would be. Yeah. This is a mess. I am an idiot for taking on this job. That's for the wipers. Oh, prop rod. Yeah, I think this is evap stuff, but where? Yeah, is that supposed to be curved like that? I don't know. Or maybe that's the fuel line and I'm hooked up wrong. I don't know. No, I don't know what the hell is going on here. It's got to be missing something. I have no idea what this goes to, and I don't know where the vacuum source would be. On the back. What is that? Oh, that's this. Okay. This will work for now. Alright, I'm gonna get this. Just trying to take a look at some of the stuff here. This goes to this hose. And the wiring harness comes here, goes down here, goes to the starter, runs underneath, comes out here. Three of these connectors, and this is the right here.
Da. Tipo numeri anyway.